song. People, this is one code again. You understand? Yes, I can say that. But this is Silk Reacts. You understand? Guys, this artist never feel, bro. He always been tough. Tough like stone. Lyrically, bro. This artist got a lot of lyrics. He shared with motivation lyrics, bro. Gun lyrics, bro. Smooth lyrics, even for the girls. Never leave out the female dead. One Law Boss. Now we call this artist Chronic Law. This song is Chronic Law ATL, bro. Maybe in Atlanta, I guess. It's in Atlanta. Look at this building. Not in Jamaica, bro. But he is a dancehall artist, bro. Chronic Law never feel, bro. This artist is lyrically. If you slowing down in life, bro, listen to Chronic Law, bro. His lyrics will motivate you to lift you up, bro. Make you keep going, bro, for what you want to achieve in life. People are gonna get right into it. Before we get right into it, people, subscribe now, please. Subscribe, bro. Share video and like the video, bro. Big up yourself.
YGI, really would but we reach out for fraud. But bitch, one rip off me shot. Don't put no phone light pan, we call with dog. Yeah, yeah.
Tough.
ATL. Big head, man.
He's not gonna fail, guys. He's not gonna fail.
Who bad, who brave of a rifle, yeah, so we blue like pool paint. And marks like said the U-train. We war like Russia and Ukraine. Get the message, we now have to use them. Burn down a house, middle day 2 p.m. From a summer that the killer mood change. How much bro, man, I see I want spot now. I'm a kick up and I'm on a Hong Kong. Give me a 15 right on my foot. The Draco in a chunk I van. Architect for the crime with the plan. Me attack 6 pounds.
Hey, I know once this guy get the instruments, bro. He's not gonna cap with his lyrics, bro. Once he got the instrument, he's not gonna cap with the lyrics, bro.
Jump on, grassy water, we push it drugs, man. We are search for the key and nothing on sound. Yeah, one bag of money, we no afraid for spend. One bag of talk, we no afraid for them. One bag of rifle, like ATL. Suck your money if you don't rate with that. YGI, we no.
Do it now, too. If you're not rate Silk Reacts, people, or one code, just gotta do what Chronic Law say. You have to do you. And play with around here. Yes, so I say a dark or dark.
Make your friend. One bag of rifle.
Dark, you know. Dark, you know.
One up on it. You love me. Me clip pass it through like panoramic. Oh, your ring, so I don't wanna ram me. Everybody ever stick on no man and no granny. Chunk at the front, gun in at the bonnet. Clip full of dollar.
The way how Chronic Law make this song, this rhythm look easy and you know. He just make it look easy, bro. He just make it look easy, bro. Once he get the rhythm, bro, like he just start to spit lyrics, bro. Trust me.
And the family wallet, got throat, head not up on the body. And the moral not up on the planet. Evil you fuck and God know who no believe we are so. Way ends that we are fine.
Who no believe we are so. Chow.
Is a fugo. Who said them want beef, we are seasoning it up. Till you see the G, them ain't easily fuck. Run. Wild badness, stress, so no out to my dog, them it easy you fuck. Yeah. One bag of money, we not afraid to spend. One bag of talk, we not afraid for them. One bag of rifle, like ATL. Suck your money if you don't rate with that.
Bro, once you're hot, you have to have links everywhere in the world, bro. Chronic Law never miss. His song always tough like stone, guys. Trust me.
YGI, we know I'm shaky friend. One bag of rifle like ATL. Yeah. YGI, really wood but we reach out for fraud. Bad bitch one rip off me shot. Don't put no phone light pan, we call with dog. Yeah. ATL.
Different type of situation, bro. No put no phone light pan with no
energy.
People like guys do not miss out on Chronic Law music, bro. This artist, bro, is no cat, bro. His brain is from another planet, guys. One Law Boss now. Big up yourself, youth, and continue. God bless you, bro, God. People, this is one code and Silk Reacts. You understand? People, y'all go over this channel name One Code Music. Go over there, bro, if you want to hear this music without me talking in it. You understand? But some of them I talk in it. Okay? So subscribe in it. And don't play with me in it. Alright? Pick up on yourself now. One law boss. People, you all reach the end of the video. I'm out.